hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. We are in part 2 of decorating for Christmas, and I am all about it. First thing I'm going to get done though is I'm going to get this kitchen cleaned up because there's no way that I can decorate in here with all of this crap all over the counter. So we're going to unload the dishwasher first, load it back up with the few dishes that are in the sink, and get all of this mess cleaned up. If this is your first time here hanging out with me on my channel, my name is Andrea and I am a full-time working mom of 3 kiddos. And honestly, our house is usually a mess and I try to keep up with it as best I can. But you know what? We're here to provide you real life moments, and having stuff all over the counters, cabinets wide open, dishes constantly in the sink is just real life. So if you are here for the clutter, here for the mess, and here to gain motivation from me cleaning it, stick around. I've got so much content for you. But around this time of year, I absolutely love to decorate for Christmas and make my home feel extra homey with all of the lights and all of the decor. So I am going to provide you with everything that I possibly can to make you feel right at home with me. I also quickly just wanted to mention, and shameless plug, that we are going to be doing Vlogmas this year. So we do Vlogmas just a little bit differently than a lot of the other families that are on YouTube. So we only do the 12 days of Vlogmas because 24 days of daily vlogging is absolutely insane. And I applaud anybody who can manage that because I am not one of those people. So starting on December 14th, I can't remember if December 14th is the first day being posted or the first day that I'm filming, and then the 15th is the day that I'm posting. I don't know. I'll post it somewhere and let you know. But anyways, I hope that you guys will join us here for Vlogmas this year. So I have to be honest, I completely forgot about all of those fall coffee pods over there in the corner. So I do have an advent calendar for Christmas, and it's all K-Cup pods. So I am really enjoying that right now, and I will be featuring those in Vlogmas this year as well. So we're going to open one of those every single morning. But I think I'm just going to set these off to the side and drink them after Christmas, so they don't go to waste. But anyways, I got this cute little sugar bowl off of Amazon, and really this is the only thing that I bought this year because I've been trying to save money and not spend a whole lot and be, frugal. I have enough Christmas decorations, trust me. So this was really the only thing that I bought this year, and I am absolutely loving it. It comes with a little spoon. Look how cute.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes, reminds me of something gone.
So I've put this garland up around this window for a couple of years in a row, and I really love how it looks, especially at night. And I turn off all the lights, and this is just the only light that we have in the kitchen at night. And I had to get creative this year because the little plastic piece that goes on the top there that kind of gives the window a finished look, I guess, fell off and the brackets broke, so we never put it back up, and so there's nothing for the garland to hang from. So I got creative and found zip ties and zip tied the garland to the window. You know what? It works. I tied it around the garland into a little loop, and I draped the loop over the little corner there, and it had a lip on it so it didn't fall. And you know what? It works. Whatever you can do to make it work, it works. Even if it's duct tape, if whatever you do to make it work, that's all that matters. So as usual, the table's a mess. Unfortunately, this is kind of our dump zone or our drop zone whenever we come in the door, which we always come in the garage door. So this is literally where everything just kind of lands. And to decorate this table, I usually like to keep it pretty simple. We don't put runners, we don't put placemats because they get dirty, they get moved, they never get put back. So I'll just put something really simple in the center of the table. And this year I DIY'd a project that Glue Guns and Roses really inspired. So I will link her video down below for the one that I did for the middle centerpiece here. And I literally copied exactly what she did. I think I got different boxes from Dollar Tree because mine have stars on them, but the outcome was super gorgeous. It looks beautiful. It's not like tacky looking or anything. And it's so simple and pretty. You have to go check out her video. And just so you know, I did change the decor out on the wall, but I did not get a chance to film it, but it is in the end of the video, and I do show you how it all turned out, and the wall was super pretty. And I I know I will link the video that I did the wall in last year and the cards and down below. But moving on into the bathroom, I didn't necessarily stay with a theme in the bathroom like I have for fall and for my everyday regular decor. We didn't necessarily have anything navy in particular for Christmas decorations. I just kind of used what I had, and I kept the blue accents that were already in here. So this picture or sign that I made last year was hanging in the playroom, but I decided to put the Have a Merry Christmas or Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas in the playroom this year. And then I moved this one into the bathroom because it fit on this wall perfectly. I did have a flannel Bath and Body Works candle that I decided to use, which was navy, so I guess I lied. We do have one navy thing. And then I love this little sign that I DIY'd last year, the wash your hands, you filthy animal. And that is a Dollar Tree sign that I took the canvas off of it, painted the back of it black, and then I stained the wood and reattached it backwards. So this little tree I got from Target or Walmart. Walmart. It was at Walmart. And then I also got these little bead garland at Walmart this year. So I did buy one other thing. And I believe these hand towels came from Walmart or Target last year. And then I'm just switching out my wallflower to A Very Merry Christmas, I believe is the scent. And yeah, that's pretty much all that we did on the kitchen counter or the bathroom counter. All right, warning, adult humor, avert your eyes if you can read cursive. But this is honestly one of my favorite things that I ever made. Leave a comment down below if you know exactly where that's from. And that's exactly where I put it last year too. And I got nothing but compliments from it. So don't come for me. I absolutely love it. But here is just a recap of all of the decor that we put out in the kitchen, in the table area, and in the bathroom. I know I said I was going to be doing the playroom in this video, but I simply just ran out of time and I have not gotten in there to do it yet. I'm hoping to be able to get in there this weekend and go ahead and decorate the playroom and finally finish decorating. I know that's kind of crazy to say because it is only December 3rd when I'm finishing this video, but it goes fast. If you can believe it, there are only like 3 weeks left until Christmas. Hang on tight, guys, because it is on its way and I'm not ready. I'm so not ready. But like I said, I'm going to link a lot of stuff down below for you, so check out the description box. And I do hope that you will consider subscribing and sticking around my channel for Vlogmas. We are going to be starting either on the 14th or the 15th. Like I said, I will update you again before then so you know exactly when to tune back in. But I hope that you'll stick around for any videos that pop up between now and then. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.